18th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Seek the things of heaven. One's life does not consist of possessions, Jesus emphatically declares in today's Gospel. And to drive home that message, he tells the parable of a rich man who has it all, the means to enjoy his wealth, but he dies the very night he makes his great plans. The only answer to the inevitability of death is to be rich in what matters to God. What does this entail? The Gospel does not give specifics, but enunciate a principle. Consider always what will remain after our death. We will be stripped of all material goods, even those legitimately acquired. What remains will only be the quality of our life and how we have made use of our goods, be they much or little. Please like and subscribe.